Are you a busy professional who is interested in making some money or make your money make money for you by way of the stock market? Well, I'm here to share one of my biggest secrets with you. My portfolio is filled with dividend stocks. And so today I'm going to talk to you about what dividend stocks are and why they are the best stocks to invest in. And so when we buy a stock, we become a shareholder. So we become part owner in a certain company, right? And so now we're an owner, part owner, shareholder in these companies. And so you have a say so, right? And so typically when you buy a stock, the way that you make money, the stock, you would anticipate it increases in share value, right? So for instance, if you buy a stock for $10, you want to see that stock increase to $20, $30 and stuff like that, right? And so that's how you'd make a profit. So essentially, if the company does well, that means your stock price will go up, right? The company does well in a certain quarter, then the stock price typically goes up. Right. And so that is why we always talk about buying stocks and, investing, because then that's the quicker way for you to make interest or return on your money. Now, when we talk about dividend stocks, so dividends are money that is paid out to the shareholder just because you own the stock, right? You get a certain amount or a certain percentage of the profits. So if the company does well, everybody who owns the company, you, for buying the stock, will receive a payment or a payout in the term of dividends. And so think about this. If you buy a dividend stock, you are getting a payout because you're a shareholder. When the stock goes up or when the company does well, you get a payout. But you also get a payout when the money or the price of the stock increases. So you're getting paid twice. You're getting paid twice. And so this is why dividend stocks are a must-have in your portfolio, right? And it will be a plus if you find what I call a growth stock. If you find a growth stock that's a dividend stock, oh my goodness. Like one of my stocks in my portfolio, I bought this stock at $32. Of course, it was given dividends. Yes, I typically look for low growth stocks, low cost or low price value growth stocks, and they must give me dividends. The stock I bought was IRM. You can look it up if you'd like. When I give it advice, I am not a spokesperson for any company. It's called Iron Mountain. And so I bought the stock, I think about $32, maybe a year or two ago. That stock is now $119. And so I get paid just for owning that stock, right? And every time the stock goes up, I get paid as well. So I'm getting paid twice in my portfolio. And so you want to look for stocks that have a great growth potential and dividend stocks. If you can find those two things in common with the stocks that you buy, say ding, ding, money, 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 right? So again, if you are interested in investing in the stock market and you want to really get paid, move your portfolio forward, definitely think about dividend stocks. Look for stocks that are paying you dividends annually. And then also you want to look for the amount of dividends that the stock is given. I always talk about doing your research. And so you want to, in addition to looking at the stock giving dividends, you want to make sure that every year the dividend value is increasing for these stocks, right? Or whatever stock you're buying. So I hope this helps. Dividend stocks are a must in your portfolio, even if they're not all you buy, right? Whatever percentage, make sure you have some dividend stocks and make sure you drip your returns. If you don't know what I'm talking about when I say drip, I'll talk about that in another video. I'll link it somewhere. And so, yeah, I hope this helps. Until then, see you.